Tommy found a bakery bright, filled with treats and twinkling light. Cookies sparkled, cupcakes shone, magic greeted him alone. Tommy baked a giant star, rainbow frosting seen afar. Candy sprinkles danced glee, sweet as cake for all to stir the dough round and round. Magic sparkles all around, crystal bowls began to glow. Yummy treats were set to grow, yummy treats were set to grow. Open went the rainbow door, cookies floated by the score. Cupcakes smiled with happy cheer, sweet surprises filled the air. Cookie chefs all sang a song, cupcake friends danced all day long. Tommy laughed with joyful delight, up the flying tray did soar. Through the stars forevermore, pastries floated in the sky, sharing sweetness way up high, sharing sweetness way up high. Tommy watered the candy tree, donuts grew so happily, donuts grew so happily. Muffins, rolls, and cookies sweet, every branch held tasty treats, every branch held tasty treats. Tick-tock went the frosting clock, magic sweets around the block. Every tick brought